this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate a mesh using the Rigacar add-on. To follow along, you need to activate an add-on called Add Curves, Extra Objects that can be found under Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. I have been experimenting with the Rigacar add-on for hours today, and learned the latest stable release of Blender is not fully compatible with the add-on. I have searched the web to find the answers to the issues I've encountered, and learned I was not alone. As far as I know, the wheel rotation baking doesn't work when we're trying to make an animation along the path. However, the wheel rotation baking does work on animations that don't use the path. The second issue is how the ground sensors don't seem to work on the latest version of Blender, while using the curve path method. I could be wrong, and this issue may have been related to the mesh's origin issue, but I did see some odd bumpy issues while animating along the path with the ground sensors turned on. I'm using a fully rigged BMW mesh from the developer's homepage, and I'll post a link in the description below. Let's add a new layout window and go into the Look Dev mode. We can use the car's body mesh as the parent for our camera, so the camera can follow the car mesh. Please use Ctrl+P to parent. This is how we normally animate in Blender by using the I key. We go to the first keyframe and press I to add a new keyframe. We go to any frames, make changes to the location, size or rotation to the mesh and press I again to add a new keyframe. We can play the animation, and this is how we animate without the path. If I bake the car steering and wheel rotation on this animation, they'll work without any issues. As you can see, the wheel is turning and the wheel is rotating properly. However, if I add a path and animate using the path, the wheel rotation won't work properly. Let's open a new file, because that will be easier and faster. I can add a new curve circle and add a follow path constraint to the rig. If I enable the follow curve option, everything is set to go. The wheels won't rotate. The steering seems to work when I use the drifting handle. Let's test the ground sensor. I'll create a plane with array and curve modifiers and use the circle curve. To prevent the clipping issues, we need to activate the ground sensor. That doesn't seem to work, but again, this could be a origin issue of the mesh itself. As of September 14, 2019, the wheel rotation is confirmed not working. We'll need to wait for a new update from the dev, and I'll upload a new tutorial when the dev releases a new update. I still recommend everyone to use the Rigacar add-on, because this is an amazing add-on for automobile meshes and also works great on animations that don't use the curves. This is the end of animating with a Rigacar add-on tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.